Okay, so let's understand what the accounting cycle state. So first of all, we will start with our diagram. Followed by that, we will understand accounting cycle through an example. Okay, so first of all, in order to start a counting cycle, before before everything, but after the com- commencing of the business as an entity, we have a financial transaction. Okay, financial transaction. And next, we have recording of the transaction, because there will be no meaning of financial transaction if it will not be recorded. That is why we need to record every financial transaction that an entity does. Followed by that, we have posting. What is the meaning of posting? We will understand it also. Followed by that, there is summarization. Now, summarization, as a means of summarization, we summarize in trial balance. Like these are the activities which I am writing in the boxes encircled. Okay, these are the activities and how they are summarized, how they are posted, how they are recorded. I'm writing on the box itself. Okay, trial balance, posting is done into ledgers. How do we record the transaction when the entity does that with any type of person? Through journal. That's all we do. Okay, now moving forward. So there is a last financial statement preparation. Now, actually, it is not a process, but it is actually the last step at the end of the accounting cycle. At the end of accounting cycle. So that is what is the meaning of accounting cycle. First of all, we have a financial transaction. First of all, we have a financial transaction. Like selling or purchasing goods. I'm elaborating the cycle actually. The first, the second, the third, and fourth, at the end, fifth. I'm elaborating these points so that we can get a clear idea. This is as good as an example. Okay. So a financial transaction, selling or purchasing goods. Let's say suppose we have Mr. A as a businessman, and he is willing to sell or willing to purchase goods from any other person. So there will be a financial transaction involved because that involves money. Okay. So first of all, financial transaction, then accountant. Why am I using the term accountant? Because in a typical organization, we have a person termed as a termed his position was termed as an accountant that records it every transaction which an entity does with any other person. Okay, accountant records or record every transaction, records every transaction. After that, after getting a series of transactions, or we can say after getting a numbers of transaction, we start with the posting entries to into ledgers. We will also see that how do we prepare ledgers, how do we prepare journals, how do we prepare trial balance, and followed by that balance sheet. We will also understand this whenever we will face problems related to that also. But as of now, for the current solution, it's enough to get a clear idea about all of this. Okay, posting entries into ledger, then summarizing in the trial balance. At the last, we have financial statement preparation. Okay. So for the current, so we have understood the accounting cycle, we have understood the elaboration of everything. So the current solution, so the correct choice for problem 19 is B. So as of now, we have understood the meaning of accounting cycle. Followed by that, we have understood, we have got the idea of, we have got the clear idea on the different points or different elements comprising in the accounting cycle. And followed by that, we have derived our correct choice for problem 19 is B. That is the day to day. Okay. These are the steps. These are the steps 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These are the steps which every accountant, or we can say at overall level, which every entity performs on daily basis, so that to get the data for overall business, that what type of transaction do we have, how have we recorded it, how have we posted it, and how have we summarized, and at the end, what what do we have in terms of financial statements. Okay, so wh- that's what we have for the current problem. Thank you.